Hey everyone, it's James with Crawlers and Customs, and tonight we're going to show one of our new products. Super simple, but basically it's half a bed liner, and it's important because it gives you tie downs. So in any case, you get a few parts. These should be glued in place. I really like this foam tack, but you can use whatever you wish. Hot glue probably works as well. But they're keyed to fit the 450 bed. So you're going to glue the front and rear first, and then you're going to glue in your sides. Again, these are keyed specifically for the 450. And on this far side, you can actually see the tie downs. So drop that in place. But there's your setup. And it would look really good if you use the textured bed liner for the bottom of the bed. You'll get some of these extra tie downs, and these will be in the store soon. So F450 bed liner with tie downs. If you get tie downs, there's a guy on eBay that sells these, but they work really, really well with this system. So you can put dirt bikes or cargo back there and actually strap it down rather than have to tape it, or who knows what else you guys are doing. All right, that's it. Thank you.